Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chili ketchup at home. First, gather your fresh ingredients and prepare your workspace for an enjoyable cooking experience. We'll walk through each step, ensuring you create a flavorful condiment that's far superior to store-bought versions. Get ready to impress your taste buds with this homemade delight, perfect for adding a kick to any meal. Let's get started on this exciting culinary adventure. To begin, select about 2 pounds of ripe, juicy tomatoes and 3 to 4 fresh red chilies, adjusting the quantity for your preferred spice level. You'll also need 1/2 cup of apple cider vinegar, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, a small onion, and 2 cloves of garlic. Finely chop your tomatoes, chilies, onion, and garlic. This meticulous preparation ensures all ingredients cook evenly, contributing to a smooth, well-blended ketchup. Now, in a large pot, gently sauté your chopped onion and garlic until they become translucent and fragrant. Next, add the prepared tomatoes, chilies, apple cider vinegar, and brown sugar to the pot. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to a low simmer. Allow it to cook for approximately 45 to 60 minutes, stirring occasionally until the mixture significantly thickens and the flavors meld beautifully. Once the mixture has cooled slightly, carefully transfer it to a blender and process until it achieves a perfectly smooth consistency. For an extra refined texture, you can strain the blended ketchup through a fine mesh sieve. Taste and adjust the seasoning, adding a bit more salt or sugar if desired. Finally, pour your delicious homemade chili ketchup into clean, airtight jars. It will keep fresh in the refrigerator for up to 3 weeks, ready to elevate your favorite dishes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.